Hi everyone, this is a video to show you where to find your like or follow button with the Facebook business page YouLook and how to edit it. I had so many questions on YouTube about this specific topic, so I hope this would help. Please follow my YouTube channel. Make sure to click the little bell so when there's an update in the ever-changing jungle of social media, you'll get notified so you don't have to search everywhere for things. All right, let's dive right into it. So this is the Facebook business page YouLook. And if I go here, you will see under my cover image, normally you would see your little button that says like or follow. And then now it says edit, manage, or promote. So where is that button gone? This is the trick. If you go in these three little dots, and by the way, everything's always hiding under the downward facing arrows and the three little dots. So three little dots. Check what happened if you click view as. So if I click view as, I see what this content on your page is visible to others. All of a sudden you see the like button, message, and contact us. It is also available on your mobile device. If you click your Facebook page, you will see that button will show right away. Now, in order to edit it, you exit view as and you go in these three little dots and you click edit action button, which is gonna say this is my action button. I can click change the button and then you can click book now, sign up, etc., etc. Click next and just enter the link of your website. For example, well, that's not my website, but you see what I mean. You would enter the click to your website and click save, and that would edit your action button. I hope this answers your question and best of luck. Bye-bye.